Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the apps and notifications. They should be on the third position from the top of the list. Now let's tap on Advanced and here enter Special App Access. Now let's localize this option, Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, we can change it. Let me tap on Chrome maybe, and tap on the switcher. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware also that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Choose those apps which are verified, which are well known, etc. There is a low possibility that something will happen. So this is how to allow specific apps to install unknown apps, and you can also remove previously granted permissions. Always you can do that. Simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.